In the early days, the Lockhart family spelled their name as Lokar or Lokart. Hailing from England, they were among those dispossessed of their lands by William the Conqueror. Seeking new opportunities, they migrated to Scotland, eventually settling in various regions, including Penrith, Annandale, Ayrshire, and Lanarkshire. The Lockharts established themselves in Annandale, a region that would later give rise to the town of Lockerbie, believed to be named after them. Over time, the family's roots took hold in Ayrshire and Lanarkshire, where they held lands for more than 7 centuries. The family's presence can be traced back to a charter in 1323, where Sir Symon Locard bound himself and his heirs to pay an annual rent from the lands of Lee and Cartland. The Lockhart clan played a significant role in the struggle for Scottish independence, fighting alongside legendary figures such as Robert the Bruce. Sir Symon, the second of Lee, fought valiantly and was knighted for his loyal service. He was among the knights entrusted with the task of accompanying Sir James Douglas, carrying Bruce's heart on Crusade in 1329. This historic event would later influence the family's name change from Lokar to Lockhart, symbolizing the honor and adventure associated with the Crusade. One of the most intriguing aspects of Clan Lockhart's history is the mysterious charm known as the Lee penny. Legend has it that Sir Symon obtained the amulet during the Crusade, as part of the ransom for a captured Moorish emir. Believed to possess healing powers, the charm was set in a silver coin and became a cherished heirloom of the Lockhart family. Its significance is immortalized in Sir Walter Scott's novel, The Talisman. Throughout their history, Clan Lockhart produced noteworthy figures who left their mark on Scotland. Sir James Lockhart of Lee, appointed as a gentleman of the Privy Chamber by Charles I, was later knighted and became known as Lord Lee. Another notable member was Sir William Lockhart, a distinguished soldier who fought at the Battle of Worcester and later married the niece of Lord Protector Oliver Cromwell. While Lee Castle and its estates are no longer in the family's possession, the Lockhart heritage continues to thrive. Angus Lockhart of Lee, the present chief, manages substantial lands around Carnwarth, upholding the family's connection to the Scottish countryside. Their contributions to Scottish history, along with the family's enduring motto and coat of arms, serve as reminders of the Lockharts' illustrious past.